Everybody is saying everything is my fault, that I'm to blame for what happened, and all this started because he didn't want to forgive, and now everybody wants me to forgive him and embrace him, talk to him because of what I've done, and they feel it's my turn to support him. And but listen, most of you blaming Joy and saying Joy is here to destroy my home, Joy is here to do this. I really don't see a fault in it. I want to make something like very, very clear. If he had not given her the impression of wanting to have something to do with her, she would not walk into his room that night. I want you guys to understand something, that my husband's relationship with Joy is not a new thing. I swear. I am not angry or crying that she's actually pregnant or something. That's the what is really hurting me. But what is hurting me deep down is actually more than that. And I really don't know how to say it. I don't know how to come about it that people are actually going to believe or see. I don't know how to do it, because this is not something that happened in a day, or before someone can accuse somebody of having something to do with another person, it's because you've been doing it. When I went out to see my ex, I met my ex in a public place. I'm going to post a chat between my ex and I, and you guys are going to see everything, but it's not today. Yeah, I'm going to post anything. I don't owe anybody an explanation, but I'm just doing this video because of some people that are really matured and really understand the whole issue. First of all, when I did the prank, he was angry because it's something he's doing. I'm not tarnishing his image, men are actually bound to cheat, which is what we women have already saved in here, that it's normal for a man to cheat. When he cheats, you take your eyes off it, and which is what I did. It started a long time ago, but I took my eyes off it, expecting that one day he's going to come and explain. But he still didn't come to explain. He kept on doing it and doing it. And so why I'm actually amazed is because the same person opened his mouth to say since he got married to me, he has never ever cheated. Like, can you really look me in the eye and say that? You're making me the bad person. A lot of you don't know why I'm being stubborn, and nobody wants to understand. Now everybody thinks I have to support him. The girl is a gold digger. The girl is shameless. Why are you guys insulting her? I mean, it was the same tipsy person that opened the door for her. It was the same tipsy person that went on the bed. Or did she force him? Like, I want you guys to kind of like explain. Did she force him to have anything to do with her? Because I really don't understand. When we had it, when we had the issue, first of all, he brought her in as an actress, acting for him, taking my place as his wife in the movie or the episode. Then from the acting, she became the manager of the account. Started managing the account. Do you think he would do that with someone he just met? Like, do you think he would do it with someone he just met? Like, if you're a big man or a big woman out there, you would understand what I am saying. Like, you cannot just hand over your, how would I put it? Okay, fine. Even if you have a company, you cannot make the company's manager somebody you just met. You've definitely trusted this person. You guys have gone beyond. You believe that this person can handle your account because you trust that person to the core. So before he can put her out there to become his manager, there has been something for a very long time. You cannot just tell me that because you just bought her for acting, from there you're not putting her as your manager. I'm not a baby. I've been putting up with your silly attitude for a very long time, and I just had to keep quiet. I kept on swallowing it. I kept on swallowing it way before I even went to meet my ex. I kept on enjoying. And everybody's there pointing fingers at me. Whatever wants to happen between you and Joy is none of my business. I'm okay with it. I'm fine. I mean, I was not able to give you a child. I was not able to produce a child. I cannot even use my tummy to carry it. The one I carried fell off. So, I can't. But most of you out there, as a woman, you know what it means to lose your child. You know the pain, you know the process. You know how long I bled after having that miscarriage. I got pregnant, I was going through pains. I lost it, I was going through pains. I wish you guys well. Because I'm even tired. I don't know what to say again. But to me, it's not something that started today. So, but I want you guys to know, if you watch whatever is going, that's been going on for a very long time. That girl cannot just come out as an actress, from an actress becoming the manager, from the manager becoming a baby mama. Who knows? She might even be the wife next. But it's fine. I mean, I'm not the first person it's happening to. A lot of people don't even talk about it, but mine came out on social media, so it's all good. I believe everything happens for a reason. Who knows? Maybe I was not really meant to be his wife. Maybe she was meant to be the real one, but situations happened and I came in at the wrong time. Maybe, I don't know. maybe I actually came at the wrong time. I don't know, but those of you blaming me, I don't think anybody should blame me because it's not my fault. You already started a long time ago. I just had to keep it in. I had to fight it on my own, thinking yes, my husband was going to change one day, he's going to come back to me. But then at the point, I was like, why did this person get married to me? I was trying to figure out why he got married to me. Maybe just to, I don't know, maybe something happened before, and maybe just to cover everything up, he had to make me his wife. And I'm a calm person. I'm very, very calm. I don't make troubles. But he played with my mental health. He made me someone else. He brought me out. He brought another part of me out that you guys saw, but this is not me. I'm a very, very loving person. Everybody asking me to stand and fight for my marriage, but if it gets tiring, I swear I don't think I can fight. I'll walk out. I know that's what a lot of them want because Joy is an Igbo person. I'm a Yoruba girl, but I'm not saying I'm the best and nobody's perfect, but it's it's going to be fine. There's no problem. But I want you to know one thing, Joy. What goes around comes around. Karma still exists. You might successfully chase me out of the house, but know that someone else will do something way worse than what you did to me. You came in to take what was mine, and I don't know. He might have been yours. Maybe I was the one that took it. I don't know, but karma exists. So enjoy while it lasts. If I have to walk out, I'll walk out. There's no need for violence, but just because.